Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Moli and welcome to another exciting episode. In this episode, I am going to share this beautiful traditional Indian wedding guest makeup look. I wanted to share something different from a very long time. So it's going to be a very easy busy tutorial. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So here I'm starting off with a little bit of skincare here. I'm using the purple skin rejuvenating serum. I'm applying this all over on my face. I want a very glowy dewy finish makeup today. So yes, I am dabbing it all over on my face. After that I'm using this Huda Beauty primer. It's a very beautiful water based primer. So I am applying this on the T-zone of my face. Later on, I will be applying the Nykaa Strobe and Glow Liquid Highlighter. It's a very beautiful, liquid highlighter, and I'm in the shade Golden. It's a very nice highlighter for medium to dusky skin tone. I am literally spreading the highlighter all over on my face. And yes, after that I will be applying the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's a medium coverage foundation, so I need that because I don't want to cover whole of the liquid highlighter which I have used previously. And I am blending the foundation with the help of a dry beauty blender, and I am in the shade 310 Sun Beige. Here I am using 25 number shade Age Rewind Concealer. I am placing this not all over on my face. I'm just placing it wherever I need, like mouth area, under eye portion, bridge of the nose, and the middle portion of my two eyebrows. And I am not spreading the concealer. I'm just blending it wherever I have placed the concealer with the same beauty blender. For my eyebrow, today I'm taking this MAC eyebrow pencil. It comes with a spoolie, which is a very beautiful thing, and it's a really nice micro sculpted pencil. And I am spreading the eyebrow pencil, and firstly I'm just filling the sparse areas, and after that I'm going vertically on the starting point of my eyebrows. After that I'm just combing my eyebrows to give it the ultimate shape and the finish. To set the foundation and concealer from creasing, I'm just applying the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder wherever I might get some creasing. So after that, here I'm taking this Faces Canada 3-in-1 palette, and I have taken the bronzer. It's a very beautiful subtle bronzer for my skin tone. After that, I'm taking the same palette for my blush as well, and I'm placing this on the apple of the cheeks. After that, taking the same highlighter shade from the same palette with a fan brush, and I am placing it like on the bridge of the nose, apple of the cheeks, cupid's bow, and also the starting point of my eyebrows. To set the base makeup, here I am using Faces Canada fixing spray, and I am removing the excess with the help of the beauty blender. After that, let's move on to the eyes. Here I'm taking Maybelline Lemonade Grace palette, and I have taken a very beautiful brown shade. Next up, I'm gonna take this shade Ice Pop. It's a very beautiful pink shade. So firstly I'm gonna place it on the outer 1/3 of my eyelid, and then I will slowly blend this shade on the crease line as well as on the lower lash line. Next up I'm gonna take this beautiful pink undertoned shimmery shade, and I'm gonna place it on the 2/3 of my inner eyelid. To highlight the inner corner, here I'm taking a beautiful golden shade. To tightline the lower waterline, here I am using Lakme Absolute Gelato Collection Kajal in the shade Yellow. After that, I'm taking this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. It's a beautiful volumizing as well as lengthening mascara, and it's totally waterproof up to 24 hours. so I think it's a really nice lash mascara. And I have also applied the rest of the mascara on the to set the eyebrows. And for lipstick, I'm taking this MAC Retro Matte lipstick in the shade Carnivorous. It's a beautiful maroon undertone shade. And here is the final finished look. I am wearing some silver junk jewelries. It's a little bit oxidized jewelries, and I'm wearing a sari of my mother because I really don't have some saris. And yeah, I hope you guys find this video helpful and enjoyable. So please do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you soon with a brand new one. Until we meet next time, I love you all. Stay happy, stay beautiful. Take care. Bye bye.